Yo, I look wonderful. Oh my
Facts.
God.
Oh,
Yo, we're so hot, bro. Yo, we're out here at Kodawari.
Oh, hold on.
Oh. Whoa! Whoa! This guy had to put oil in his car the moment he pulled up to the meet. He pulled up to the meet, oil light came on instantaneously. How do you feel?
Yo, I feel like I own a BMW.
Yo, I understand.
Shout out Evan.
Yo, shout out Evan. You see Evan?
Shout out me.
And Evan, do you in the background? On God. So we out here at Kodawari. It's a mad sick meet. We pulled up late, I think. I don't know, when did it start?
Starting at 7. We actually got here like relatively on time.
We were still like...
I know. Shit's busy as fuck. This is just Kodawari, bro.
Yeah, on God, bro. Shout out Kodawari.
Okay, so we're at Kodawari Collective for a little, I think it's 8-6 night, I believe. So kind of sick, very excited. These are always like very high quality events. I've never been disappointed here, so I'm very excited to be here. We're obviously, you saw AJ already, Evan as well. He is here as well. He is Evan's girlfriend. So very hyped to be here.
Yo, Mississauga Engines 2024.
Wait, shout out. Yo, I have an engine and I'm in Mississauga.
Yo.
Do I get to join the club?
Honestly, bro? Shit, you might, bro.
Per chance.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, we're
There's
we're
lots of
8-6
vehicles.
tripleting way too close to the sun.
Oh, yo, shout out to 8-6. Speak of the devil. I'll show you guys. We'll go look at the cars in a little bit. We're just gonna chill for the time being. Food. Shout out burgers for $5.
Yo, mad cheap. Shout out Kodawari.
Actually, shout out Kodawari. They could have rinsed
And we
us
probably
crazy
still would have
style.
gotten it.
Oh, facts. 100% I would have. And if they were like double the price, I still would have gotten it. E90 on LMs. We were just saying off camera, we don't like LMs that much.
I don't know. They feel too flat. They feel really one-dimensional, and there's like too many spokes.
Yeah, I agree.
guess.
I'm just not a fan.
I don't know. Like,
They
feel
look
too
really
blocky.
good. I don't even think I was about to say that they look really good deep dish, but they don't
That's what
even. I
mean.
don't think.
Like if they had more curves,
Yeah.
it would be okay.
But they're just like a very flat
Very
face.
flat. And they're
Super
very
flat
blocky.
face.
Very
Yeah, like there's zero curvature on them, which I guess is like not crazy uncommon on 3-piece wheels to have like no curve on the face, but like still. I don't know. I just feel like they just it's the same with E88s for me.
That's true.
I don't like E88s
No, I
like
understand.
that.
I completely agree.
But I think like
I just don't.
I see their place in cars.
Look, way more deep dish. I got it.
VFX. It's your burger review.
Yo, this shit's wonderful, bro. I don't know how they're making any money off of this. All I know is I don't really care.
I don't think they are. I think that's the point.
I don't even. I don't know. All I know is it's wonderful. Honestly, don't even come here for the cars. Come here for the burgers.
Cars mid, bird good.
Cars mid, bird good.
No, cars here are sick too.
Cars here are insanely sick. I need to walk around. I haven't walked much other than I saw that. Which I went so bad. Yes, we saw it pulling in actually.
It's over there.
Apparently, AJ believes that's who he got my front bumper off of.
Really?
Yeah,
Because
apparently.
I think he said he got into an E92 and he got rid of his E46.
Did you see the attack sticker on the rear bumper?
Yeah, that shit's sick.
Sick.
He gets it.
He knows, bro. He's aware. His E92 is low-key what I wish my E46 was.
An option sticker for the back of my 240 so I can JDM LARP more.
Bro, no, that's where you put the key day sticker, bro. That's what I did, bro.
He day.
That's what I did. That's what
That's the best sticker that I think we've ever seen in the world.
I love
By a
watching,
man.
bro. I love
this
watching
way, the
people
keys are
get
too much.
confused. But this is sick. Oh, what? Yo, I love NTO3s, bro. Shout out. Wheel twin. Holy. Actually, wheel twin. That's sick. It's like. I don't know if y'all can see in there. Enter cool Izzle in the front. This is really cool. I like the color as well. The badge is even kind of sick. I've never seen one of these like BRZ carbon badges before. This thing's super sick. Oh, the mirrors as well. They're like very like track style, like carbon mirrors, lightweight mirrors. I will say though, it's kind of it's an auto.
In like 2001 before you were born.
And he's on like stock seats, which I think is crazy. I feel like this is like you should have like some crazy buckets in this car. Also, Daihatsu Koken right beside. This is cool actually. I love Daihatsus, bro. These are such cool cars. Oh, what the heck? Yellow interior? The red with the yellow interior? This is so sick.
Oh my god, Cope in Canada. Oh, they did pass it.
Shout out. This is sick, though. This is very cool, actually. What the heck? Damn.
Yo, this guy takes out the 407, bro. You think he could
Does he?
at those speeds?
Wait. Oh, he does have the transponder.
Have a seat in it, see how it feels?
Oh, I don't know if I'll fit. I'm in the Daihatsu. This is cool. It's honestly, it's not that bad, other than the fact that I can't see.
And the seat will go back further.
Will it? Oh wow. Okay. Okay, we've
cool,
made
bro.
it.
Like,
Yo, we've
cool.
made it to the overflow lot, and somehow the overflow lot has some sick whips. Yo, look at this freaking FK8 on freaking Wranglers. Rich.
Are they real? Oh yeah.
They're definitely real.
Brakes of those.
I don't know.
got
Oh
a full
wow.
cage.
Oh my god. Wait, he does have a full cage. Well, that's actually wild.
Honestly, all nowhere.
Yo, look at that Sienna! Yo, wait! Alright, bro. Oh, GTR!
Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god! Yo, when I was like, between the ages of like 7 and 13, I wanted nothing more than an
Yeah.
R35 GTR. I have one, like a poster of one in my basement. That will forever be like the car, I think.
This is a grill car.
Well, that's a really nice color. Damn. Hate to
That
see it.
sound is
Yo, nice color.
Thank you.
What color is this?
Wildberry.
Oh, hell yeah. It's sick.
These are great.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard a bunch of
Yeah.
That's why everyone hit the.
That's what yeah. It was one of those.
Oh, he's missing a reverse light. It's not cool anymore.
You're actually a hater, bro. Yo, mind you, I pulled up in a clapped Beamer. You pulled up in a Honda.
The lack of the one, it's on the wrong side, but it's first turbo. You know, people lose a headlight for it.
Actually,
That's it. Yeah, I know.
Whoa.
I know. And it's all
Whoa.
like vibrant, like tight. Like,
Yeah,
tight
this is like
piping.
insane. This is like the most beautiful like piping I've ever seen actually. That's a really big turbo too.
Yeah, it's a
That's
lot
like
of
a
turds.
really big. That's a really big turbo. This one's really cool. I've seen this many times. I love the Terreno, the custom like Terreno. Oh wow, yeah, the Reparos. This is very cool. This car's on my arm. Like I can't dislike this car. On the lots.
Gridlow Maxes.
Yeah, big fan. Carbon hood as
I know,
well.
but the fact that it's carbon because it meets what it's supposed to be.
Yes,
That's
yes,
the
yes,
reason
yes.
it's probably exposed.
Yeah.
Because like even the mirror caps are great.
Yeah, the mirror caps is cool.
Oh, it's like real carbon too. Like it's real like
Oh
carbon.
yeah. This carbon is frick point.
Yo, I was talking to Evan. Apparently that wheel's like a lot of money.
This one? Yo, what is this wheel?
I don't remember the name of it.
You just know it's hella money?
I just know it's hella money. It's the one that's in the initial D car.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh wow.
Ital Volanti
Hold on,
Admiral.
bro. I need this for later,
Ital
bro.
Volanti Admiral. I don't know if that's the same model.
Fair enough, bro. Preach. I need to put that in the vlog later so I'll remind myself. Holy shit, dude! $1,100 US.
Yeah, 15.
There's currently 11:36. I just got home. This vlog was very kind of all over the place, and I apologize for that. Only slightly, to be so honest with you. I really like hanging out with Evan and AJ. Those guys are like two of my best friends, and the vibes are always great hanging out with them. So I was very happy to have them in the vlog, and they were okay with dealing with me shoving a camera in their face like the whole day. The cars were sick at Kodawari. I don't think I've ever. I mean, like I haven't been to Kodawari very often. I think I've only ever gone one other time, maybe twice. The cars that they have, that Kodawari has themselves, are insane. And they always bring out people with insane cars. And they do these open houses in a way that is like themed around a specific car or a specific style of car or what have you. Today was 8.6 night, as you guys could probably tell by the sheer number of 8.6s inside. Obviously they had a bunch of 8.6s and Takami's 8.6 as well, which was pretty cool. Those events in general are just awesome. So I'm going to try to go to more of those events. I don't want to make this channel just me going to car meets and showing you guys cars. That's not my intention. but that's just been what I've been up to recently. There hasn't been other opportunities really for me to whip out a camera and make a vlog that is interesting for you guys that hasn't been at like a car meet or an event like that. So I'm hoping that some events will pop up in the near future. I was supposed to go to North Stage on the weekend, but it was pouring rain and I wasn't driving. I was just gonna go hang out with the homies. So I didn't really want to just go hang out and get soaked all day and like do nothing. Cause I also couldn't have filmed because it was pouring rain. So yeah, I'm hoping for some more drift events or something like that that come up that I can bring you guys along with me for. But eventually you guys are gonna see some content on the E46 because I have some big stuff coming that I haven't told you guys about. That is in that box right there, actually, along with some other boxes over there. You guys don't know what that is, and I will tell you guys that when it becomes relevant. When whatever is in that box is getting put on this car, you guys will find out. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Again, I know it was a little hectic, and I do apologize. If you guys did, as always, please consider liking the video and subscribing. It helps out a lot. It tells YouTube essentially that people think this video is cool, and so it shows it to more people in hopes that more people think it's cool. Like I always say, leave in the comments any videos or anything that you guys want to see. I'll do my best. I can't create things out of nowhere, but you know, I can try my best to find something of interest to take you guys along for. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching, especially all the way to the end. Take care.